guy's got plat board and he's plat.
Oh, if he's fucking won.
That guy's got a gold border and he's gold. That's like even worse.
He's damage boosted, dude. Oh, he's dying.
Oh, that's
The
me,
damage
bro.
blaze widow.
Oh, Reaper. Actually, Reaper. Come here, bitch. I actually.
Yeah, but you're better, Hans. You're better, Hans.
Oh no, easy, yeah. Easy.
Yeah, nice hook, buddy.
Wait, go side run. I'm gonna try and flank
Come
him.
on, shoot her, shoot her. Yeah, purple, top left.
He's one.
We kill Reaper.
No, he got.
What? He actually.
Widow dead, Widow dead.
Big
Oh,
frag.
well, why don't?
Big, winnable, winnable.
Oh.
Okay, I'm trolling.
Go.
We need to kill
Ryan's
Reaper.
low.
Reaper half, Reaper half.
Like,
Mine's
can we
fine.
gonna kill
hug
it,
slow?
Reaper dead.
What?
I got it.
What?
Oh my
Okay,
god.
okay.
What is that pin?
That might be me, because I tried to boot him away from him.
I'm
I'm feeding.
Right side.
Yeah,
Where?
Is Mora still alive? I swear to God, dude.
This is winnable. We've got like picks, don't we?
Yeah.
Loads.
Yeah, we won. There's Mora only behind.
Just kill that.
Can we kill the Mora?
Help me, please help me. Please, I'm dead.
I can't see him.
Reloading.
Look at the fucking. I'm sorry. I actually.
Why was someone
Okay,
team? Why was
actually
someone team?
getting killed. Dako, stop trolling. Who needs help? Go, pop off.
Oh, come on, can we kill something?
We need to kill that warrior and mercy.
This is actually lost, I think.
Okay, we're trolling.
Ow, dude. I
We're actually trolling.
fucking fed. Should have killed the Tracer.
We should have killed the Moira. How am I still
Should've
alive?
killed the Mora, I know, right? Oh, come, dude. Actually trolling.
Let's get out, Hunter.
3 olds? What?
Tracer one.
What?
Tracer one. Big. Moira dead as well, dude. I'm backing out. Someone
I
heal.
love the Mercy. Let's
Reset.
go in, let's go
Where are
again.
we? Who are missing? Who are missing? We're missing Ryan. Then we can just reset.
Mercy, stuck. Go in, go in.
Nice hook, dude. I saved your life, Dako.
Okay, we'll go again anyway, apparently. Just go, get right.
Sleeping.
They don't have heals, they don't have heals. Come on.
Reaper no Wraith.
Wait, what?
Reaper one.
Kill Hawk, please.
I'm with you, Hanzo. Come.
Okay, it's Tracer.
we got it, we got
Tracer
it.
Moira, hang on. It's fine. Let's just play ping-pong.
Okay, dude.
Okay.
Worth it, though. Worth it.
Actually worth it.
Killed.
Yo. I was gonna say, if you didn't kill that fucking.
No, step point. I go on. Oh my God.
She's
dude,
one, come on. Okay, no point. No.
They're tricking
Can I press Q, Balazar, please? Can I press Q here?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
No huck?
Oh, actually, I can do it.
Oh, that's a Reaper.
Actually, trolling. See, that's what you
Yeah,
get.
what's
from
it
He's
all?
stage.
swapping. 100%. There's no way he's fed like that.
Yeah, that. Good on.
Can I have one heal, please? One heal. Have a Hanzo.
Kebab.
He's half. Hands half. Ryan wants to charge. Mega room.
Come.
Help Mega.
Yes, sir. Oh, I'm getting.
Everyone's
I'm
low.
actually dead.
I don't
I'm
want
actually
to.
I'm dropping so many frames.
And we kill the
Actually-
Hunter top left.
dead.
Hunter
Dude,
Yeah.
please, Balazar.
There's a Reaper bottom left.
Hands
That's
are
already
half.
dead. Rip.
Oh, huge
dude.
Balazar.
Hands are half
Actually
on
insane.
top. Hands are half on
Hit
top.
bug.
Huge grab.
I know. What do you mean? That's actually huge. I'm dead. Okay.
I'm dead.
I'm about to go Torbjorn and pop off. Come on. I'm gonna go Diva.
Look at my frames are
Let's
dropping.
just regroup.
Hanzo
I
sleeping,
just
but main.
Yeah, don't wake him up, I can kill him. The mind us has got hooked. This guy's, this hook's insane.
Dude, I could.
He's constantly hooking me.
God.
That's
Can
so
we,
annoying.
Everybody in here. Get him, buddies.
I'm actually gonna swap. I don't know
What
what
the
to.
What?
fuck?
Oh,
Oh, he's behind us, on top of the thing.
What on top of the thingy?
Give me a sec.
He's right, he's aimbotting us
The
flipping.
Hanzo.
You just 180 headshotted me.
Okay, he's insane.
Reaper Arana.
Sorry, I was AFK. I'm back now.
I'm going to die.
And did I just? I was about to say.
He's actually insane.
Dude.
Oh, come on, can we kill
my
him?
God,
Like,
Do you have a Widow?
I'm about to go and fuck my shadow.
We have a Diva. We've got a Diva. Diva, if you pressure the hands, I can get him.
What do you mean I'm getting rolled, dude?
What's
Yes,
happening?
Oh,
I'm going to kill
okay, I
him.
got saved.
Big feet,
Lowe's
big
actually doing
feet.
stuff. Lowe's carrying.
Okay, nice.
No, carry small, please. This is why you're diamond.
Carry.
I killed 4 guys. 4 alone.
Yeah,
Like-
Cap.
Mm,
I'm
Okay,
just
not the
Nice.
Warthog, but both supports and the fucking Hanzo.
I might stop after this. I'm dropping so many fucking frames.
Oh!
The house
What?
should be back
Why
in
are
there.
you scared?
He
Nice.
charged like.
Watch your res, watch your res. High ground.
Oh, he's low, he's low, he's
Actually
low.
beating. Mercy, you
Kill Hawk,
vanished.
kill Hawk, he's on
Hook,
T.
hook, 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 hook. Oh, behind, Reaper on point, Reaper on point.
I know. I see. Kill. Yo, kill, I'm DMing, yo, come on. Nice.
He's half.
There's a Moira
Oh,
there
that's
healing him
good.
constantly. I can't out damage.
Yes, you can. There's nothing that can out heal. I can hit it. Okay, I had this game.
Rush sleeping.
Wow, dude.
So many frames.
Wow, dude. This hand is actually lucky, dude. If I record this, you guys are gonna fucking laugh.
We get the point, it's fine. I had to get the point.
Like, why would he ever? Oh my god. Actually smart. Or not smart, this is actually lucky, not even smart.
Yeah, they're
Oh, wait, you can die.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, here,
Skip
we're using
someone.
shift.
I'm gonna go stick to the hands though, okay?
Oh, they're all dead. Bye, dude. Oh, she's one. I mean, whatever, back there's one.
Yo, hands on Mega. Hands on Mega in the open.
Yeah.
He's half.
Okay, listen, I'm finding a fucking more.
Just took the Mega. Mercy dead. Can someone help me kill the fucking Hanzo and the Mega? Decker, where are you?
Killing the rest of them because he was pushing
Don't kill the
us.
rest of them. Just kill the Hanzo and we win.
I can't if they're in front of me, dude.
Where the fuck is
You're a
Anzo? Is she
traitor.
alive? What do you mean? Why is he
Careful,
sit
you have
there?
no honor.
Oh my god, he almost one-shotted you.
I'm not a swap.
My ultimate is charging. Ash here.
That's gonna be huge, dude. Actually huge, though. Man, cap. Oh, what? He didn't heal himself. What face? Okay, Ryan, he's winning. Actually winning, though.
Run.
I'm one.
Fuck is Mercy doing? Why is Mercy DPSing? That's actually his dogs.
He's gonna ult. No mind, he's dead.
It's only the fucking Moira. Come on.
Yes, but she's ulting, then we can kill her. Yes, we can, but she's low. Actually, 1 HP.
Oh, no, she's
Actually,
one.
1 HP. No cap. Kill her, dog. I'm eating. I'm yummy.
They got Reaper.
He's low.
Reaper junk right now.
I'm actually dead. There's no way.
Reaper.
Okay, I'm not dead, but okay.
Reaper in a Wraith.
One.
Please, I'm actually dead. Oh,
What
he's
the
dead.
fuck? Why did he creep me up for?
Nice.
Moira point. Kill her. I can.
Why is this guy trying to kill me?
Oh, no heals.
Nice shot. Monkey 1 HP ult. Dude, kill him.
Okay, I'm back.
The Lucio behind us.
Man.
What is that? Oh, what is that eat?
Kill him.
Time's running out. Everyone attack.
What?
Nice.
Fine, Balanza?
I'm insane.
Did we do it before overtime? Did we do it?
Sorry.
No, we
Fuck them!
we did it before
We had
overtime.
1 second? We had 1
Yeah.
second?
Oh.
What? Okay, come on. Toxic.
Yeah, fog.
No.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
I don't know. 1 second.
Toxic, dude.
What's actually happening?
That's you. Okay, come on.
Remember Daka in that game?
Yeah.
0.2.
That's 0-1-0-1.
0.01.
Hunter, you pick.
Sorry, I'm
Come
just
on.
trying to
What?
fix my computer. 'Cause I was dropping
Animal,
so many
dude.
frames. You can go.
Okay, thank you. Watch the good Tracer and just destroy me now, though.
No, it's fine.
Actually, no, I kill Tracers. It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna play like safe. Wait, they had Reaper Tracer, didn't they, or some stupid shit? They had Widow as well.
They kept changing because they didn't know what to do.
Yeah, should I go McCree though?
Let's see what they have, and if they have like Tracer, then go
Wait,
McCree.
we have Ren and they have Zen. Wait.
Wait.
Rigged.
Actually rigged.
Stupid.
Hold on. Wait, no. Wait, he's the gold level. Okay, what?
They got gold border and they got plat
Yes,
border.
that's the real one. Okay, we have the fake one. Okay, we're actually stupid.
What?
Come on, dude.
Toxic.
Yeah,
We have
obviously
the
numbers
fake
mean
Ren.
the
Oh,
250.
streamer! I'm streamer.
Oh.
Wait, is that a streamer?
Yes.
Shit.
We're both streamers. Come on, don't be toxic.
Shameless, I'm taking
You're not
over.
really
They got a
Fine.
Pharah. Yes, they got a Pharah. Easy clappers.
Oh, no.
I can actually hit Farah's.
Yeah, I ate that. I'm sorry.
I
It's
can.
fine, I don't think it's pharmacy, so.
They got a soldier. What the hell? What? Does he not know what year this is?
Wait, am I dead? I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead.
What are you? Why did you go back?
Oh, heal me, please. I can get my mech. It's okay. I have my mech again.
Oh, he's one, dude. My mouse around mouse room.
Devon, continue. Actually, one HP.
I'm
Give us actually one.
I'm feeding, dude. So annoying.
What the fucking soldier's actually fucking huge aim. He's actually fucking. What? What is? What? I'm actually getting melted.
I'm gonna kill the soldier as Ash. Big pog.
Let's get heals.
He's actually melting me, dude. What the fuck? You can heal me. You can get ult charge.
You're like, you can heal me, and then you run like with less than half health. Like,
Can we kill the...
He's
Okay, this guy
ulting.
actually has ult
what
already.
the? What the fuck?
He wasted it. He's going. He's in the mega.
Farah's not like.
He's actually one HP. He's actually one swing. Come on, dude. He got healed.
Yo, Dak, can you heal this far?
Nice.
No.
He just died from a soldier. What do you mean?
What?
Wait, one of you did. I don't know. Fight one.
No,
Maybe cap.
dude.
He's out.
How much?
Diva sleeping.
Why? Okay, I'm actually bad.
Ryan's one.
I don't know where the fuck she is.
I'm actually dead. There's no way.
Wait, where is everyone? Everyone dead.
Okay, come on. I was into A.
Wow, what a bomb. That was so random.
Nerf this.
Big.
Oh, nice.
Come on, oh my god, is Lel AFK? No. It's... Wow, you
Oh,
literally
my-
went
Stop
AFK
typing
just
while
to
I'm
type
actually
that.
trolling. Come on.
Yeah, some touch.
I can't. I
Oh, you
troll.
lost it. Dude, we actually just let them walk through. We didn't contest once, dude.
I'm massive
Dude,
change,
why do we
I
have double
can't.
sniper, dude? Why do we have double sniper? Even if they have a Pharah, who needs double sniper?
Because
No, I'm gonna not meant to do that. Let's do
it's
this.
the only character I can play right now. Because my
Debate
computer is
it.
not working.
Guys, we need to
Wait,
go
Dak,
for
what's
a play. I haven't.
My computer's literally not fucking working.
What is this team combo? Just for a go goats. I don't know. Listen, I ulted
Behind
the
someone,
new shatter, okay?
behind someone.
Listen, I ulted the new shatter, okay? Go. Shatter after.
He,
Okay, come
oh
on,
my
dude,
god,
what?
he hit me. Oh my god, I'm feeding.
Ryan Kane is actually winning.
Oh my god, Genji actually won, dude.
We're not killing anything right
Why
now.
we not touch? It's not about killing stuff. Why we should need to touch cart a bit as well. Someone touch cart. They literally haven't been stopped.
Yes,
once.
dude. I'm trying to kill the Genji and protect
Thank
our
you.
healers.
I'm distracting the healers. Or one of the healers.
What?
Oh my god, Nano fucking.
It doesn't matter. That's a waste and a half.
Fucking kill stuff.
The fucking Nano.
Deco, why are you soldier?
Oh my god, I'm
Didn't
gonna...
actually hit things.
I'm dead, probably.
Actually, I should probably go McCree.
Hey, give him something. No, he already have McCree. Give him something to play. Don't say why you're a soldier. He doesn't know what to play. Sit down. Actually, sit down. Okay.
Not C9. That's fine.
I mean, there's someone behind us. Huge. Come. He's low.
Got him. Big stun.
Okay, come on.
Big.
Too late. They wasted 2 walls. Yeah.
Changana. She's half. Nah, she's getting pocketed. Never mind. Yes.
Oh my god, I
Tell me
got
your shattered, Lau, by the way.
I'm
He's
dead.
one,
what a
he's
waste.
one.
I
Wait, never mind.
just
I'm
won.
not gonna waste.
I'm gonna die.
I stopped the remake.
Right behind you.
I'm dead. No, this contest.
Okay, I'm actually
Play
dead.
point.
Random point.
Just
Point.
Stall, just stall.
I can't do it.
All dead.
I'm coming back with Shadow, dude.
You can touch me. We're gonna push Lucio. Let's go. Actually, anti actually huge.
Winnable. Keep touching, keep it.
Step on. Touchy. Only touch touchy.
Oh my god. That's a big miss.
Can you range me? Okay, you ran away.
Oh, and he's one, dude.
He's literally one.
No, Diva.
9! We see 9, come on.
Oh,
Oh
controls.
my god.
Dude, I don't know. I literally can't do anything.
Okay, dude, we have the real Zen. We have fake. Wait, how long? Oh my.
You're like,
Okay,
oh, it's so annoying that my computer's not working. We could have won that
Okay.
so easily.
Listen, dude. Just. Okay, dude. I don't know what to do. Just go goat's forehead. I don't fucking know how do we goats this even.
Why is it there? That's the problem. Oh my god, no.
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
The hell?
Try to play. Wait, what did I have at the end?
They didn't. Oh, I don't know.
I take it you don't want my autograph.
Like, I had
But you
29
wanna go goats?
elims on our attack and 3 on our defense. That's dog shit.
Yeah, go goats. I think. Lal, if you go healer, I can play Ryan. I think. We'll try it.
Okay.
Yo,
Go,
don't
go.
pop. Go diva, go diva, go diva, go diva, go diva, go diva.
What the fuck,
Diva,
dude?
go diva.
Come on.
They're actually feeding.
Chop, watch
No,
out.
go, speed boost, speed boost.
I am.
No, I'm
I
sorry.
need to wait for a
So you can
right.
heals for a bit.
What the fuck?
I have no matrix, I have no matrix, I have no
Right.
matrix. My guy knows all the shields. Watch out, I have no matrix, no matrix. Had to use it all. Diva,
Yeah,
Diva,
Diva, Diva,
Diva, diva, diva, diva.
Diva.
My. Oh
I'm
my.
feeling as well. Yeah, where the fuck's it?
Go, we go.
Chop here, watch out, chop is dead.
Invest behind.
It was
Have heals behind.
Run.
There's a doom.
regroup.
Let's, everything, we got the
Give me the
time.
We don't. Not right now.
Team regroup.
It's fine.
Well, but this is even
I'm dead.
worse. We would have had time for a soft reset at least.
I'll rest.
I can't go.
At least you have to go touch point.
I'm trying.
Just
We
be
make
fast,
it.
forehead.
I don't think
You
you'll
got
make it.
this.
Oh, you made it. Oh,
Okay.
I'm dead though.
I don't think I can stay alive.
Yeah, I'm dead. Oh, that's unlucky.
Wait.
Come on, winnable game.
I joined more.
No.
Big anti. Yeah, big diva bomb right here. Actually 6.
I'm gonna kill 6. I'm actually gonna kill 6. Watch me. 6 players right now.
You need to stay
Boom.
on point though.
What do you mean I died?
Oh, so well until now.
Dude, that's so annoying. That's actually so annoying.
Fences.
You know how we win this?
Select your hero.
I literally lost because my computer stopped fucking
We win this with bunker comp.
It's so tilting.
What? A Bastion and a Sim?
Like a Jinkrat maybe, I don't know.
Okay, can I Bastion at least?
Okay. No, say. Oh, no. Lucius probably bad with Bastion.
What? No. Two 4
Um,
healers. What do you mean? Why do we have 3 supports?
What is happening?
What the fuck is
I'm
this?
so confused.
Why?
Yo,
don't
go shield
diva.
and let that go off tank, dude.
Always be the solution.
Why is okay? What? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Why is it so scum?
No, can we now have Lucian Mercy for a Bastion though,
We're in the
please?
Zarya. What? Okay. Thunk.
Wait, what do
Oh,
you want? We want Zen.
Anna
Yeah,
Zen,
Anna,
anything.
yeah, Anna.
NSN, whatever.
Valta's not hard
What?
anymore.
No, we need mercy.
Oh, come here, and don't go up there.
Then
Oh,
die.
come on, dude. I want to free shoots.
No, don't do that. We
But
don't have
now
enough
we don't have
we don't have,
defensive
we don't have
ult.
speed boost to rotate.
Come down, what the fuck? You're going
Okay,
to
I
die.
am. Relax, dude. What? I came down. I was just gonna free shoot like
We need
this.
why are we not on high ground? What's happening?
No, high ground sucks on here.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
What am I supposed to say then? I'm gonna get flanked.
Well, anti.
All anti.
Big anti.
I'm dead.
I ain't healing, I swear to god. I didn't do any healing, I'm dead. All the Treasure and some newbies.
Back in the fight.
Treasure has low no recall. Treasure has low no recall. Actually 1 HP.
Oh, what the fuck?
You have no healers. I'm coming back.
Yeah, it's all the
It's
Ren.
just us boys.
Just all the Ren, it's okay.
Excuse me?
I'm gonna be coming back from the front in a minute as well. Yes, they're here.
Wait, we have no more Mega shield. Oh god, I'm so dead.
What? How should I go home back in time? Well, who unorganized?
I'm so dead. I'm actually so dead. Someone has to be close to me, dude.
Just one.
I don't fucking care who it is, dude. McCree or... Why,
Where
watch
are
out.
you?
Okay, just stay. No, monkey, go. It's okay.
Oh, she's on me.
Have you?
Oh my god.
He's one.
Yeah, I couldn't.
Dude, you got me. Where's the guy who helped me, dude?
He's a.
I'm dead. I'm dead, actually trolling.
And
But don't say it, don't
Oh, I got
say it.
you. There's a
how did you get away with that?
So no one was looking.
I'm gonna go soul shatter, I swear to god.
Both,
Yo, do
both,
more.
Trying
both.
so hard to keep you alive.
They can't kill me. They're all movies.
I don't want.
They actually tilted. They
I don't
actually
want.
tilted.
Big.
Like, this guy doesn't die, come on.
Oh.
Yo, monkey,
Big.
bandy diva. Get the fuck out.
Get back.
I'm taking care of them.
Has Zen playing Viva. I'm scared. Dude, Hunter, I wanted to be on the high ground with me. On the high ground, right.
Relax.
Yes. Dude, no.
Relax, dude.
Yeah, dude, listen, I need you to
Try
flash
to get the
either... okay, they have a fire, dude. I'm actually
Otherwise,
dead, there's
Doomfist
no
gets
way.
free setup.
Dude, they have fucking 3 supports. They're smart. I mean, DPSs, they're smart. I gotta change positioning. This is dog shit.
Might need damage to kill the Pharaoh. Yeah.
It's okay, whenever they rush, I'm gonna show up. No, they don't know. Okay, hello. Unlucky,
You're
dude.
lucky I'm not that kill.
Uh,
Oh my
It's
god.
okay.
Thank you.
There's a Diva coming up for you now, low.
Reaper now.
Yeah, no, but can you hear me?
From here, I can't see.
What the heck was
Okay,
that?
I'm ulting.
Yeah, I
Okay,
couldn't even
come
take
on.
cover from. Like, because they ulted on the other side.
What was that?
Oh my god.
No, don't go point, but it's okay. Just stay back. You gotta die.
What do you mean? Oh, the anti.
Insane! Oh my god, Hunter's carrying us
It's
so
big!
hard.
Hey, I was
Oh
the
my
anti.
god.
Huge Hunter, huge.
Huge pocket.
Actually winnable. I mean, drawable.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Oh.
You're just
Holy.
sleeping.
Okay, I gotta change my positioning now. I have a fucking Hanzo, dude. They're gonna
I'm
hack
gonna
me, dude. I need
summon
more
him.
protection now. I can't just go like this, Papega. I'm gonna play
Fine,
like
fine,
stupid.
fine. Where
I'm
are
just
you?
gonna
Where
spam
are you?
everywhere.
They got a hands on as well.
I'm just gonna spam like
That's
fucking idiot.
insane.
Go to the
You're gonna
somber.
get popped, Lord.
I got ult.
Where are you?
No.
There you
Oh no, I'm
Look.
feeding.
Summer, right behind us,
Drop
behind us.
ahead.
Kill, huge. Last fight. Leave you.
We're on.
She go,
Yes,
kill.
big.
Shit, my fucking name, what a bitch.
Oh
That's
my
Oh, you
god.
guys, you
Fine,
guys.
they lost,
you guys are
it's okay. They lost, 7 points.
Pocket the bastion. We win. Big. Big,
I have
GG.
sleeping
They're
behind.
sleeping, they can't touch
Yeah,
point. Yeah.
Kilana.
GG.
Yo.
Sobra point. One up point.
I'm reloading, Yosh.
Nano boost administered.
It's so toxic.
Oh, dude. That's kind of annoying though, because I know we could have won that. By
Crawled.
Imagine